Streaming on Kick application using your mobile phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you how you guys can do it. So first thing first, that all you have to do is to make sure that you like the video, comment under the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So one thing is that you should set up your Kick account if you have one. Simply go ahead and create a Kick account, then go to channel and in the settings set up the streaming account. So once you have done that, there is another application known as Streamlabs for the mobile phone. Simply go ahead and install it, and once you install it you will be redirected to this page. So simply it will take you to the application. So here what you have to do is to go ahead and select go live, and it will ask you for which platform you want to go live on. So simply go ahead and click on custom RTMP, and in here paste the stream key and the URL and the name. In the name just type in Kick, and in the URL paste the URL that will be given to you by the Kick application in the streaming software, and then the stream key. That way you'll be able to stream from your phone to the Kick application. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.